So students, after explanation of chapter 7 fraction, we will start the exercise 7th A. So you will take out your notebook, math register and book and write the chapter name, chapter 7 fraction, and write the heading under exercise 7th A. So let's start. I will tell you this exercise in your book, but you will do this exercise in your math register. So let's start. Question 1. Take the fraction that is equal to the fractions shows by the shaded figure. आपको यहाँ फिगर दिए हैं और ये शेडेड हैं, उस फिगर में शेडेड पार्ट हैं, आपको उनके फ्रैक्शंस को बताना है. यहाँ नीचे फ्रैक्शन दिए हैं, आपको चूज़ करना है करेक्ट शेड उसका, करेक्ट फ्रैक्शन उसका. सो पार्ट ए में आप देख रहे हैं कि 2 पार्ट कलर्ड हैं और टोटल पार्ट हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो इसका फ्रैक्शन हुआ 2/6. बट आप लोग यहाँ देख रहे हैं नीचे इसमें 2/6 कोई भी नहीं है, लेकिन जब हम इसको रिड्यूस करेंगे 2 1 जा 2 और 2 3 जा 6 तो 1/3 आता है और 1/3 हमारा ये है. तो 1/3 इज़ अ करेक्ट. सो वी विल राइट 1/3 एंड और टिक. नाउ second figure we will see that the colored part are 1 2 3 4 5 6/8. So the fraction of this figure is 6/8. And when we solve this fraction 2 3 ja 6 and 2 4 ja 8, 3/4. So 3/4 this. So you will mark tick on 3/4. Now the third figure is the colored part are 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 are colored and the total part of this figure is 7 8 9, 6/9. But when we solve this fraction or reduce, so it will be 3 2 ja 6 and 3 3 ja 9. So 2/3. So 2/3 this. So you will mark tick on 2/3. Now fourth figure is the colored part are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and the total part is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8/16. When we will reduce this fraction, so it will be 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 1/2. So we will mark on 1/2. I hope you will be understand well. स्टूडेंट, मैं फिर बता रहा हूँ आपको कि आपको ये पूरी एक्सरसाइज आपको अपनी नोटबुक में करनी है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. पार्ट ए ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 1/2 of 36. So we will divide it 36 by 2. So it will be 18 time and 18 1 ja 18. So the answer is 18. Now 1/3 of 45. You will divide it 45 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15. 15 1 ja 15. So 15 is the answer. Now question C, 1/4 of 128. So you will divide it 128 by 4. 4 3 ja 12 and 4 2 ja 8, 32 time and 32 1 ja 32. So the answer will be 32. Now the D question is 1/7 of 105. So you will divide it 105 by 7. 7 1 ja 7 and 3 7 5 ja 35. So it will be 15 time. 15 1 ja 15. So 15 is the answer. So now students, we will do question E, 2/3 of 39. So we will divide it 39 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 13 time. And we will now we will multiply 13 and 2. 13 2 ja 26. So 26 will be the answer. Now question F, 3/4 of 100. Student, here of means multiply. So 3/4 multiply by 100. Now we will divide it 100 by 4. So it will be 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20, 25 times, and 25 3 ja 75. So 75 will be the answer. Now question G, 7 upon 12 of 108. Now we will divide 108 by 12. So it will be 9 times. Now we will multiply 9 and 7. So it will be 63. So we will write 63. Now we will do question number H, 9 upon 16 of 144. So we will divide in this question 144 by 16. So it will be 9 times, and 9 9 is 81. So 81 will be the answer. You will write here 81. Now question number 2 is completed. Now we will move question number 3. Question number 3 is choose and write like fractions. We all know that those fractions are like fractions, their denominators are same. So we will see question number 8, 3 upon 7, 8 upon 9, 4 upon 7 and 3 upon 11. We can see that 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 7, their fractions are same, their denominators are same. So these are the like fractions. So we will write here like fraction 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 7. Now question B, 4 upon 9, 4 upon 13, 4 upon 15, 6 upon 13. So here we can see that 4 upon 13 and 6 upon 13 are like fraction. So we will write here like fraction 4 upon 13 and 6 upon 13. Now question C, 12 upon 23, 11 upon 21, 13 upon 21 and 17 upon 21. So we can see that in these fractions 11 upon 21 and 13 upon 21 and 17 upon 21 are the like fractions because they have the same denominators. So we will write here 11 upon 21, 13 upon 21 and 17 upon 21. Now student, question 3 also be done. Now we will move question number 4. Question number 4 is choose the proper and improper fraction and fill in. Here some fractions are given here. You will write the proper fraction and the improper fraction under these questions. So first we will find out the proper fractions. So students, you all know very well, when denominators are bigger than numerator, those are the proper fraction. And the numerator is bigger than denominator, those fractions are improper fractions. So now we will write first proper fraction. So 7 upon 9. 7 upon 9 is the proper fraction because in this fraction the denominator is bigger. So we will write here in proper fraction 7 upon 9. Now 7 upon 6. 7 upon 6 is the improper fraction because here numerator is bigger than denominator. So we will write in improper fraction 7 upon 6. Now after 7 upon 6, 7 upon 7. 7 upon 7. So this is also an improper fraction. So we will write 7 upon 7 in improper fraction. Now 12 upon 11. Here the numerator are bigger. Numerator is bigger. So this is also an improper fraction. So we will write 12 upon 11 in improper fraction. 12 upon 21. So here denominator is bigger than numerator. So this is a proper fraction. So we will write 12 upon 21 in proper fraction. Now 35 upon 53. This is also a proper fraction because in this fraction numerator is smaller than denominator. So we will write in proper fraction 35/53. So question 1, 2, 3, 4 are done. All of you are students. You will do 1, 2, 3, 4 question of this exercise in your notebook, in your fair notebook. And in my next video we will do the remaining question of this exercise. Thank you.